everyone, welcome to Jishual. I am Priya and today I'm going to share with you some meal ideas for toddlers. Now, toddlerhood is that tricky age when every parent is worried about what to feed the toddler or how to feed them because they can be very erratic, especially when it comes to eating. So I thought let me share some ideas with you, and we will share both vegetarian and non-vegetarian ideas along with tentative quantities to help you, because I keep getting this question asked again and again, how much should I serve? So I'm giving a tentative idea there, but again, every child is different, so use your discretion. Use Always ask, think whether your child is able to finish that much, or if your child wants a little more than what is the suggested quantity, go ahead. Yeah. So and before we go on to the video, I just want to show you something. Yes, see this cool t-shirt that I'm wearing, this with the Shishual logo. So I'm really excited about this, and we got these printed, and let me know if you would like to have one of these, so I'll do a giveaway. So comment below and let me know if you think it's nice, and it has something at the back, and the at the back as well. So yeah, so comment and let me know whether you would like one of these teas, and we can do that for you. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So vegetarian and non-vegetarian ideas for toddler meals. This food chart is just a sample, and feel free to tweak it to suit your babies and your preference and convenience. So let's start with early morning. But if your child does not get up very early in the morning, you may start right at the breakfast. So early in the morning, you can give half a cup of milk with 3 to 4 soaked almonds, or a teaspoon of almond powder in the milk, or even the dry fruits powder. We have shared these recipes, and I will place the link in the description box, so you can always go back and check them out. The next is breakfast, which will be around 9 o'clock. So you can give vermicelli upma, or oatmeal, or dalia, sweet dalia, or even the upma, suji halwa, suji upma, dalia upma, a cheese and tomato sandwich, a small chila or a dosa, one idli with peanut chutney, or even a small paratha. So as you can see, there are lots and lots of options. Next we come to the non-vegetarian option. So you can give buttered toast along with eggs in various form, like scrambled or boiled or an omelette. You can also make a French toast, or you can make banana pancakes and serve them with honey, and you can make whole wheat apple and cinnamon pancakes. Now mid-morning snack, which is around 10:30 to 11, you can give a small fruit, or cut some seasonal fruits and give it to the child. You can give that small dry fruit laddu, which will give instant energy. You can give buttermilk or fried makhane. All of these things will help your child to have the energy till the lunchtime. For lunch, again, vegetarian option will be some curry with a small chapati and smeared with some ghee, or rice and dal and sabzi. You can give vegetable khichdi, vegetable dalia khichdi, pulav, or chole rice. For non-veg options, you can give pulav with egg curry, or chicken curry and chapati, or fish curry and rice, and even some chicken vegetable soup with rice, or fish and vegetable soup with rice. And as I said, all the links to the recipe will be in the description box. Then comes the snack time, which will be around between 4 to 5. So here you can give cut fruits, a peanut butter sandwich, similar things. For dinner, you can give a vegetable pulav with mixed raita, vermicelli upma, pasta, noodles, pasta in tomato sauce, khichdi with vegetables, matar paneer with a paratha or some rice, chapati with paneer bhurji. All of these options are wholesome and filling. And the dinner should be around 7 to 7:30 or so. And later, when your child sleeps, you can give a bottle of milk. So non-veg options can be vegetable pulav with egg curry, chicken curry and a chapati, or fish curry and rice, a small mild chicken biryani, vegetable pasta, chicken and veg pasta, noodles with egg, and so on. So hope that these ideas will help you in planning your toddler's meals in a better way, and will give you some ideas. So if you do like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. And do let me know, comment and let me know if you would like me to do a giveaway of these t-shirts, and share this video with your friends, with all your circles, so that it helps us to reach more and more people. And bye bye, I'll see you again very very soon.